Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajni and you are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Wish I could speak English well. I wish I could earn the money while teaching English, but I don't know how to learn English because I don't know how to speak English. So everything I would like to tell you, how did I learn English, how am I learning English, because all the learner have a question, can I speak English well? So today in my video I am going to tell you everything, how am I learning English and how did I learn English. But before starting the video I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me, so please, without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that, how am I learning English and can I learn English through naturally way. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything. First of all, I would like to tell you, every person are interested to learn English. Every person are cup of tea of speaking English, but they don't know how to learn English. They don't know how to start speaking English. So in the video I am going to tell you, can I learn English through naturally way. Okay, as a child learn his native language. So kind of this I want to tell you, how did I learn English, what can you use in your speaking English. So today in my video I am going to tell you, if you are interested, if you are cup of tea, so please watch my complete video till the end. So please, so as I am saying that, first of all I would like to tell you, and I told my previous video, and all the time I keep telling to you, if you are interested, so you should listen, because listening power is very important. Without listening, I can't speak English. Actually I have example. Okay, and this is a naturally way. As a child, he learn his native language, but they don't, but he doesn't know how to start his native language. He doesn't know any vocab, any grammar. Having said that, he try to speak his native language. So you know, I should learn something like this as a listening. Okay, as a listening, because listening power is very superb, and you can watch English video daily. Okay, daily you can watch English video, and then you start speaking. I think I have only two things for improving English according to me. First one, listening, and then speaking, because you should have the practice a lot. Okay, speak as much as you can, because without speaking I can't speak English. And next one, you should avoid the hesitation, and you should increase your confidence. Without confidence you can't speak English. I think this is a very big barrier, because of which I can't speak English, we can't speak English. So please don't think about anything, only try to speak English, and you should increase your confidence. And I think, for improving the confidence, you should have the practice a lot. Without practice we can't speak English. So please, don't think about anything. And next one, you can use phrases and idiom. Actually, all the learner, they try to speak advanced English. Okay, i think uh, I think you should not something like this, only try to speak English only simple. Okay, and you can note down as a simple English sentence, and you can use in your daily life. And that's how your flow will be increased, and your speaking power will be increased. So I think, this way is very good, and you can write down, and then you can speak in daily your life. Okay, I think this way is very good. And another way you can use, I think, when you are alone at your home, so that time you can create any fake story, and then you can speak with yourself. If you are not interested with other person, you are not comfortable with other person, you can speak with yourself. I think this way is very good for improving English, and gradually you will be improved. I believe, because I use this way. And you can use one application I told my last video. And you can go and you can check and go to Play Store and then download and then use. I think application is very important. I think all the times I think something like this, I don't have any partner how to use, I think this useless. I think it's not use any person only. You can use one application, and so all peoples are available on these applications. And you can start speaking with other persons, with random person. Okay, I think this is a very big excuses who are making daily, I don't have any partner. I told my previous video, because this is a very big excuse who are making daily, because of which I can't speak English, I can't learn English. Okay, so I think please remove from your mind this thing. Only try to speak English, because your aim, you want to be fluent in English. Actually, I want to tell you about myself. I have been making the video. Since then, I am getting improved, because I am making the video. And without script, I speak with you. I am speaking with yourself. Whatever any words comes in my mind, and then I am speaking with yourself. I think this, according to me, this way is very good, and I learned a lot. I i i have learned a lot through this method. And I am not I think I have passion for improving English. So because I want to teach to my child, because I want to teach my child, so that's why I am learning English. And another, I have options, I have a passion, because I want to earn the money, so I want to teach. So that's why I am learning English, and I believe I will be perfect. I will be speak English well. So I think I wish I could speak English well. So that's how I start speaking English, and I start learning English. But I am not that good. I am trying to speak English well, because when we started speaking English, so that times I used to fumble. But this times I speak English very well without fumbling. Okay, so I think you can create something like this, and you can start speaking English. Sure, you will be improved your communication skill if you use this way. So that's why you will be definitely improved your communication skill. And you can use this way, something like this, as a child learn his native language. So you can use something like this, and this way is very naturally way for improving English. As English is not a subject. You don't treat as a subject, you treat as a language. So that's why you can learn English very well. Otherwise, if you think about because this is a subject, and for I will learn grammar, so I think it's useless. Okay, you couldn't learn English very well if you are think I will learn grammar, so you will not able to learn English very well. So please don't think about any grammar, only try to speak English. And don't think about any person, any mistakes, only try to speak English. And have the practice, hard work a lot. Without hard work you can't speak English. So that's it. Okay, in the end, once again I am saying something like this. If you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. So thank you once again. I will meet next my video. So till then, bye bye.